kids, how are you all? I hope by the grace of God you all will be fine. Children, today we are going to learn the things which we see in the market. Children, as you know that there are many things which we see in the market like shops. Shops. We buy the things from here. Drinks. Drinks. We use drinks for taste and quench the thirst. Clothes. Clothes. We use it for wearing. Jewelry. Jewelry. It is used for looking nice. Toys. Toys. We use toys for playing. Vegetables. Vegetables. The use of vegetables keep us healthy and fresh. Fruits. Fruits. Fruits give us power. Children, there are many other things which we see in the market. Children, your home assignment is learn question number 1. What things we see in the market? What things we see in the market? I hope children you will learn this question at home with the guidance of your parents. Thank you, take care and Allah Hafiz.